All right, everyone, welcome back to another episode, and we're gonna start off with what we got. That's the factory back half of the chassis, and there's currently what we have. We had a truck, we don't anymore. But that's because, guys, we are putting on this bad boy. That's the chopping block extreme back half. Automatically converts your truck to a short bed. It's got 4-link, all the bag mounts, all the brackets we need. Everything is gonna bolt right up to that, guys. The Endo VT tank will bolt to it. The gas tank we bought, all the brackets. Chopping block supplies their own 4-link with the bag mounts on it. All the bracing, we get new body mounts. So we got everything, guys. Here's what's up on the table. All our link bars, all that. Those are the front brakes. Jim is gonna prep all this stuff today so that we can go ahead and paint it first thing in the morning. We're probably gonna put the frame rails on the truck, bolt them in, and then weld them in. So that way Jimmy can paint that all as one instead of kind of having some big, large, heavy pieces just hanging. So that's what we're gonna start on next. And Jim and Jimmy are gonna take over on the C10 today. I'm gonna finish up Clyde's square body, doing the sheet metal on that. So I'll put you back on time lapse and show you what's going on. All right, guys, sorry I didn't have a whole lot of video today, but I am on my way to go pick up the wheels. I took them to my local tire shop that I use, Deer Valley Tires, out here in Scottsdale, on Scottsdale and Thomas, and he had some good tires for a good deal, so we got brand new tires on it. We put 275s on it, and yeah, I'm gonna go pick them up, and then we'll put the fronts on and see what they look like, guys. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm back. We got a lot of progress. Jimmy was knocking out the front brakes while I was grabbing those tires. So we got brakes on, rotors on, calipers, all this good stuff, guys. Check that out. So let me show you guys what you guys been waiting for. Let me walk over here. We just unloaded them out of the truck. So these things are slick, you guys. I'm super excited. So there's our tires, guys. And bam. That's the one with the center cap. I poked it in so the tire shop could take a picture, and now I'm really regretting it because it's a nightmare to get these out. So, but yeah. So we're running 275, 35, 20. So we got a pretty meaty tire on this. Definitely a lot bigger than from stock. So yeah, these are the Giovanna's. They're not a crazy expensive tire, but it is a decent street tire. I didn't want to, again, we're doing a budget build. I didn't want to put, $1,500 tires on it. So that's where we're at, guys. So I did forget that I don't have lug nuts. So I need to get lug nuts in the morning so that way we can put the tires and wheels onto the front. And then Jimmy, what's your plan for the morning, buddy?
Finish prepping parts, start hanging stuff, and hopefully start spraying if I got paint.
Yeah, so I'm gonna run in the morning, guys, and I'm gonna go grab some more paint for him, the same paint that we used on the chassis, so that way he can match the back. All of these parts are prepped, pretty much taped off. There's just a couple more that need a little bit of tape, and mainly just in the bushing mounting surface. So, but yeah, I had Jim knocking out that today. Jimmy was knocking out the back half. I was working on the square body so we can get that wrapped up. Hopefully, I would say before the end of the month would be cool, but we'll see where it goes from there. So that's all I got for an update, guys. I know this was a short video, but there was a whole lot of grinding and compressor noise and all that, so I didn't really get to get much video today. But I think that's day 5, guys. We're already putting parts together, and we're almost back to a roller, guys, so stay tuned.